before starting, I would like to thank the PC co-chairs for this invitation. I'm so happy to be here with you, and thank you for all participants. And when I got invitation from Patrick, he forced me to compile everything that I did in this area about green query processing. I will try to share with you my experience, and maybe we can have many discussion if you want. Just to give you my school. I mean, it was like motivation, because we are in aeronautics school, and before our school, now focus in this zero energy aircraft. Airbus, they have this program, And when we saw like zero energy aircraft program in the school, we have a lot of funding in the school because, they are putting all people. And since we are computer science department, we are not, because we have many departments in the school, like mechanics, combustion, and other, which are related to the aeronautics. And computer science is not like, the main department, That's why I forced myself to start working in green, just to get some money from the school. It was the initial motivation, Okay, I will give you what is the journey to arrive to this topic, Before, I did my PhD in query optimization, I did a lot of stuff in query optimization when I was in Hong Kong. And then even when I returned to France, I did a lot of stuff about query optimization. And I think even you got course about this. The query optimization, it is like, you have a query with many joins, many selections, and then you try to optimize your query, And then the traditional database is a disk-oriented database, You have data in the disk, you query the database, you get information. And here you have this scenario, for example, the question is what is the cost of my queries? And then you have these queries in Postgres, and then you have this configuration about hardware, because your Postgres SQL DBMS is in hardware, and then you have to take all this information. And then you have this database schema with many joins, and then you just run the query, and then you get the response time. It is my initial feed, And when you do this, you have to see what is the role of your query optimizer or your query processor, Because when you do query, you have many plans, and then the task of your query processor is to find the best plan that reduces the query processing. And as you know that when you do queries, you have this problem of join order, and join order impact the quality of your queries. And here you have like the final cost model, the final plane